Hi all, my name is Taras and today I would like to show you a small tool I've built for myself to create simple but beautiful App Store and Google Play screenshots. So the problem I had with Figma is that it requires a lot of tinkering there, and it's a bit inconvenient to use sometimes. So I decided to make a web tool that allows you to do pretty much the same if of course your layout is simple. So let's explore the tool and what it can do. So when you load the website, you see this is a project template which is used by default to simplify your journey, but for the sake of the demo we will start from scratch. Let's reset the project and selecting this, let's do the Android phone screenshots, right? And let's try to recreate the demo of the Figma thingy that I have. All right, so the first thing we need is to get the background color, which is this lighter blue that we'll use for the whole row. Let's add 3 more, change the default background color, and let's pick the things for the sake of the demo. Let's pick the screenshots that we have. Yeah, as you can see, you just pick the screenshots into the devices, it puts them into the frame automatically. Yeah, my inner perfectionist is now screaming about the top bar not being aligned correctly, but I just need to make the screenshots on the correct device. Yeah, so let's start from here. Okay, so now what can we do? For now, we can just hide the devices to put the nice shapes in place. Okay, so we see that this first screenshot has the black, just darker blue background, so we can override it right here. Okay, so here it is. Now let's just copy our text right here. Just do it like this, change the text alignment and change the font size. Yeah, so I think it's just too large. Now we can enable our device. Sorry, something weird has happened, but yeah, not sure why. Just lost references to all the devices. This is a bug I need to fix, I guess. But anyway, let's try again. It breaks. Well, anyway, I'll fix that. But let's continue the demo. Yep. It's the second one and the third one, right? Yeah, so here we go. Let's look at our reference, just like this. Now let's add the text here, and also we need the icon, so we can also add the image, SVG image right here. Do it like this and send it to the back. Still looks ugly, so we need to maybe rotate it a little bit, so make it so it doesn't interfere with the title. Yeah, so it's the first thing. Then let's add some nice shape here. We can maybe find some SVG that could nicely fit. So yeah, for the sake of the demo, let's just copy some random shape and add an SVG. You can see a nice preview here, so you add this SVG right here, and when you select it, you can also change the color. You can also use the pipette tool To do that, let's send this thing to the bottom, to the back. Yeah, and for the sake of the demo, let's rotate it a little bit. Let's resize it and just put it right here. Okay, yeah, so yeah, the idea is that you can you can change the device size easily. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. For example, you can make it bigger like this. You can change the text, the fonts, and yeah, pretty much you can modify pretty much anything. So it's still really raw, and yeah, I'm adding features, fixing bugs, but yeah, my intention is that you can have do like simple screenshot things like this. You can also add multiple rows, so if you want to add iOS support, you add it here, for example, and we add an iPhone, and you modify all these things, and yeah, they all get persisted locally. So whenever you force reload the page, for example, I just force reload, everything stays there. There is no account, it's just everything is local, your data is local, so you don't have to worry about what's happening here. You can save the project and load the project if you want to use another device to do it. It is basically, the project is basically a zip file with a JSON and the and the images that you have used, so you could reference them. And when you're done doing these screenshots, you can just export them. Yeah, these are really ugly, but just for the sake of the demo, I made them. So let's export the zip archive and just see what's happened. So if we export this thing, let's save it. Yeah, we open this zip archive, and here you have all your screenshots that you have done. Okay, this is iPhone, and these are our Android screenshots that we've just made. So we have the first one, the second one, and the third one. So yeah, basically this is the tool that you can use to design your screenshots easily. It has a lot of features. Maybe I'll make another video to explain them, but this is it for now. Yeah, you can find it at screenshot.xyz. You can see it here. So yeah, give it a go. I would love some feedback. If anyone needed a similar tool to make simpler screenshots, I would love your feedback. Yeah, thank you.